Once you hear the name, there's no hiding that today's recipe is a copycat version of a popular candy bar. And why not? They're chock full of ooey gooey chocolate and peanut butter yumminess. Howard shows us how to make his What Do You Call 'em bars in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
I'd like to share something with everyone that I recently discovered after looking over your recipe requests. You all love your sweets, and I don't blame you. So do I. And if homemade candy is on the top of that list, then you're going to love the ooey gooey candy bars we're making today. We begin by melting some butter in a soup pot along with a package of marshmallows just until they're melted. We take this off the heat and stir in a good amount of peanut butter crunch cereal. After placing this in a baking dish, we melt some more butter in a saucepan and add equal amounts of sweetened condensed milk and corn syrup, some brown sugar, and a splash of vanilla. Once this thickens up, we pour it over the cereal mixture, and after it sets, which takes about 15 minutes, we'll top it off with some chocolate that we've melted in the microwave. Once the chocolate firms up, it's ready to cut into bars. After trying a bunch of these, our test kitchen team thought these were even better than any candy bar that you can buy at the checkout line. If you want to try these, all you have to do is go to our website and look for What Do You Call 'em bars. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a simply delicious way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
I have to try those. You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.